It's starting to take shape a little bit. We got the bed sides up. That matched pretty well there. Hi, welcome back. I think today we're gonna try to attach that steering box and maybe try to set these bed sides up and get that brace between them. But I think if we get 5 bolts for that, that'd be number one thing. To get home early enough to pull any more body panels from out back. We also will take the jack around there and jack up the end, and might start taking these wheels off. If we get all that done today, that'd be pretty awesome. But my main objective is the steering box, jacking it up and getting the wheels off. Anyways, I don't think I got enough of the braces here. I think I might have enough to put them up. I'm not 100% sure. I think that one right there goes on the rear. You can kind of see, well, you can't really see it, but I'll kind of show you where everything I think goes. Anyways, let's hop over there and I'll show you. All right. See these 3 holes in this brace here? I believe they line up with these. So this will be turned this way, and then indention there, I think would go kind of over this support beam in here. And the same way the other side, those 3 be those 3 there. So I think this is the rear one. And tailgate, that will stick in the end of it. That right there is not the tailgate to it. I know it kind of looks similar color, but I think that was a tailgate I got for free that I was gonna try and make a bench out of, but the one behind it's all mangled. That's what goes with this truck. And you can see that we're missing a piece here. You can see how this one, and I don't think it's on that, so I'm gonna see if I can find it. I know I had it. I may set these up and see what it looks like. Hopefully we can get a couple bolts in it and maybe set the tailgate on it. And of course we're gonna, like I said, jack it up underneath the rear end and take all the tires off of it. The big thing I want to get done is finding bolts to go in here to bolt this down this way, and then bolt down coming down here. Once we get that tight, we can mount this mount the steering column how it's supposed to be. It'll be up more like it should. That's a couple things I want to get done today, mainly that area right there. So I think I'll put y'all up here and we'll try to find some bolts and such. All right, I'm pretty confident we solved that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn steering wheel, make sure it doesn't pop. All right, now I feel better about putting the fenders on. So we got that taken care of. We'll jack up the back end, and then we'll see about putting the bed panels back on. It's starting to take shape a little bit. We got the bed sides up. That matched pretty well there. Need to find the back piece. Got the tailgate on. It's in pretty rough shape. But I had that turn around backwards, had to fix that. I just kind of put this strap on here to maybe keep it from kind of falling apart. I don't mind if it falls in so much. I just don't want my kids running by if I'm not here and it falling on them. But need to get some bolts. Let's go through this. What used to be a body mount. Maybe a block of wood under there. Do that to the frame, and then oops, through right there through the frame, and one right here to connect this and this at this point, and then 3 bolts here to connect it from right there. Of course, the same on the other side. Need to push this up just a little bit, I think. I don't know, we'll have to wait till we see, get that across there, and we can actually put those, they go right here where these bolts are, straight across. So put one in the back here and one in the front. But as soon as we get the rest of the panels, we will to bolt the bed back up, pop on the fender, and it should, this side should start looking like a truck. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Just want to get a little bit done, kind of get that kind of mocked up to where it's going to be. There's a little adjustment we need to do, but starting to look like a truck. We got the steering figured out. Now we can start getting the front fenders, and I'm gonna try to finish this bed out first, get it squared and bolted down, and then start pulling. I may go ahead and pull the fenders, get them in here. All this stuff here, don't know if it goes to the GMC or this, but we'll just use what we can out of it for the truck. And if I need bolts, I'm probably just gonna get a bolt kit for the GMC. Probably been a good idea to get one for this, but I think we got enough stuff that we can put the panels back on at least. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you made it this far. Not much talking, just a lot of working. Next time we'll hopefully find that back piece and maybe put those bed rails in, or not bed rails, but cross braces, and maybe try to get this fender on. It should be pretty easy to attach. You can kind of see the outline of it. So I just pretty much follow that. Then it hooks into the running board right here. It's a little tab. And it's bent the same way the fender's bent, so it should fit on pretty nice. Anyways, hopefully everything goes as well as it did today. I'm gonna try to have this out of here in a couple weeks, or sooner hopefully. But we'll continue putting stuff back on this. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you do, please like, comment, subscribe. It does really help the channel out. And we'll get this together and out and bring the Bronco back. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.